Hi, we're DHS Programming Club, and for this year's Hour of Code activity, we're going to walk you through a quick 10-minute presentation on how to create a simple scene in Augmented Reality, or AR, using your school iPads. At the end, you will have some time to explore the app and create your own small project. First, check your iPad to see if Swift Playground has already been installed. The icon looks like this. If it hasn't already been installed, you can find it in the app's self-service, which looks like this. By searching for Swift Playground, you should be able to find and install it fairly easily. While Swift Playground is installing, we will introduce you to AR. AR stands for Augmented Reality. Augmented Reality uses your iPad's HD camera and complex sensor array to blur the line between virtual and real by displaying 3D images on the real world. It lets you try out ideas, solve problems, and share what you envision with others. AR is a tool that everyone will find useful. The iPad is uniquely suited for AR, and the app Swift Playground's AR Create makes learning it possible for everyone. AR Create is also an open-ended program, which means that once you learn, you can be creative without limits. When you open Playground, you'll see that there are a lot of projects to choose from. Select AR Create and press the Get button. Now that AR Create is installed, tap on it to open it. You should now be at the main page of AR Create. The first thing to do is to create a model. We can create many different kinds of models, but for now we will be creating either a moon, sun, or star. You can use any of these, but we will be creating a star. We must declare a variable, so in the text box on the left, put the keyword let, then a space, and the name of the variable. In this case, I will call it model. Finally, put space equals space model dot star. So the completed code is let model equals model dot star. Please note that this code is case sensitive. Finally, we have to add the model to our scene, which we will do by hitting enter and typing in scene dot add open parenthesis model. The close parenthesis should be added automatically. In the bottom right corner, now hit Run My Code. Move your iPad slowly until it detects a surface. This may take a while. Once it works, you can now tap to place your objects. Once placed, you can move around to see them in 3D. Next, we will be creating shapes. While models are pre-made, shapes need to be made by you. In order to do this, you need to specify parameters. For now, we will be focusing on cubes and spheres, as they only have one parameter, size. The first part of creating a shape is much like creating a model. Declare your variable. Mine will be named Cubify. Let Cubify equals model.cube, open parenthesis. Now we need to specify our parameter, size. In this case, mine will be 12 centimeters. Size, colon, space, 12.cm. Now you can add your cube to the scene. Press enter and type scene.add, open parenthesis, Cubify. You can do the same thing with a sphere. In this case, I named mine sphere and made the size 7 centimeters. Let sphere equals model.sphere, open parenthesis, size, colon, 7.cm, scene.add, sphere. As always, hit Run My Code. Finally, we will be creating text. Text has two parameters, the text itself and the elevation. Let hello equals model.text, open parenthesis, open quote. Note that the text does not need a variable name in front like size does. Hello world, close quote, comma, space, elevation, colon, 5.cm. Scene.add hello. Once more, hit run my code. Now that we have learned the basics of Swift Playground, you can create your scene. Try to tell a story and have fun with it. You can see a list of all the models and shapes and how to use them at the quick reference page at hoc.dhsprogramming.com. Thanks for coming to our hour of code activity, and we hope you have fun with Swift Playground and AR Create.